Hello everyone, it's Azir and today we're going to do stream 5 of competitive programming. And yesterday I tried to solve 1400 rated task and made the first ever this type of rating task, and it was books. How do you remember saying? Yeah, it was books, and mainly I couldn't solve this on the previous stream, but what about to solve it at this one? So yesterday we have known that books task there at this task we need to do two pointers. I mean, like, these type of two pointers are rare, and because I will study and for prepare this type of algorithm. So I'm going to open my screen and let's get started. Okay, let's go. I hope we could solve this task. Okay, so yesterday and also unfortunately today my OneNote is not going to work because of I just want to solve this task, and it's really not easy just to do writing with mouse. And let's get started by the first test case. 4 5 3 1. Yeah, 4 5 3 1 2 1. There we see that 5 here, 1 2 1 is the best one, so we get count of 3. So this is mainly two pointers. And how these two pointers look like, mainly we just do type of prefix around two pointers. I'm not really sure, but as I see, we just need to put y and j indexes, pointers, mainly both of them start from um, start, mainly just e and j equal to the zero. uh, yeah, and I just check out the sum, and mainly I'm going to, right now, to try to write its algorithm. Let's just do this. Okay, so let me wait. Nope, I'm not a fan just using this type thing, because I'm just copying my code. I'll make a new workspace at Sublime Text, and yep. It's also but unfortunately I really don't know how to run my code. And for example, what if I write 4 5? Yeah, like, there's some things that I don't know, but I hope I'm going to study this. Let me to do, I guess. Yep. So thanks, and I'm going to open WSL. Uh, so we just do like this. Yep, that's what I need. And let's. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's incredible. Okay, cat input. Okay, so I took an input, and then I like to move on for a two pointers technique. Mainly, how I want to do. Okay, let's open OneNote. I want to show you my technique just. 3 1 2 1. This is 5. I start from there and I continue mainly until 5. Yep. And I like to have some current count and answer variable that's going to save the maximum of currents. Like I move j. For example, if I'm going to call this array A, if AG no, if sum like there's also going to be sum, so that's calculating the sum. I mean yeah, I mean just 3 plus 1 plus 2, like this type. Okay, if sum plus ag 3 is less than t, mainly 5, just do sum plus ag and g plus plus, like move to next. I think so, like this. Okay, and let's simulate this. How it's going to look like. Mainly 3 and 1. Sum is equal to 0. Yep, it's the first value is 0, and I just move. If sum plus 3 is less than 5, it's good. So I just move on my g plus plus right there. Right now my sum equals to the 3, and then my g is right there. Yep. So then I just try something like this. If sum if sum plus aj is less than t 5, just do sum plus ag, that's equals to 4, and then do g plus plus, and right now my g is right there. So it's incredible. And then I try the same thing, but 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 is greater than 5, and cause of we are just gone. And mainly what do I think so about this? About else situation, I would think about to go y to the just wait a second. I could put y right there. But I like to put it right there, like -1, and then to continue from there. So right now my situation looks like this. Okay, and it goes out. And okay, I do the same. So okay, we have if and else situation. Make y equal to the j minus 1 and make sum equal to the ae, and right now it's equal to 1, and mainly my current, this is sum, my current, and my answer. So for 1, my current is going to be 1 2 1, and there's 2. Yep. So okay, I move if like sum plus aj, like okay, I think I need to make it 0. Yep, it's the best choice that I could do. Make sum equal to the 0. Yep, if sum plus aj is less than t, mainly 5, we do j plus plus, and sum plus aj, mainly it's going to be like this: sum plus aj and then j plus plus. Mainly my sum is going to be equal for 1, then my current is going to be equal for 2. No, for 1. Yeah, I missed. And my answer is not changing. And right now my j is right there. So if sum plus aj equals like, and we repeat this, we get 3, and right there we write this, it's going to be 2, mainly it's going to be 2, no, it like doesn't change, it's the same as maximum. Okay, and I go for j, for the next j, I mean, and boom, if sum plus ag is less than t, so I just do sum plus what? Yeah, sum plus ag and ag plus plus, but there's no way to go. Okay, I will take this for node. Yup, and mainly it's already the third element. It gets update, and there's also some for yup. That's all that I want to do. This is a type of simulation I did right now, so let's implement this. So yep, okay, so let's continue just by solving this task. Okay, while is going to be j is less than n. I'm really thinking about this. I don't know why, but mainly if I do and. No, okay, let's do it like this. Like, I'm already at the end. And let's make useful variables. Sum is equal to 0. Current is equal to 0. Answer is equal to 0. I like just to do if aj. No, yeah, if sum plus aj make sum make also sum to be equal for 0. Then make current to be equal for 0. Then make something is answer, like answer is equal to the maximum of itself and current. But mainly, wait a second. Okay, I see. Are you joking, man? Like, I don't get. Oh, yep, I'm not supposed to get. Okay, so see out answer and line just for fun. Okay, then compiling again, putting data, and here it is. I'm the best one. What about if I take input in? If it's going to work, oh wait a minute, GG, DG, okay. I would like this test case to work, strand 3. Let's also compile my file, like, I don't know why, just for fun. Then, let's run it, and I get runtime error. Like, time limit error, yep, it doesn't finish. Which meant why. Show me my input. Yeah, it's incredible. It's impossible. Okay, let's analyze just. Sum 0 to, yeah, 2 is less than 3. Then Let's think really clearly, like, yep, it's 2, and then it's going to what, to the, um, I'm done. Wait, so 2 plus 2 is 4, because if I go to the else position, I make y equal to the j minus, holy crap. Yeah, I get something creepy. Okay, and what if right there I do this, if well y equals to the minus 1, and j equals minus 1, I'm going to see out 1, and then return my program. Is it good? Yep, it is. Oh, I couldn't believe. No, this is impossible. Okay, so I like to think about why it's doing like this. Uh, I am like J is there, yup. Then J, if J is there, then Y is going to be there, like at the same positions that it was, and J is going to come back right there, and then I'm going to say if Y equals to the J, because I couldn't go like, or if both of them equals to the 1. Like there are two variants. If I do if Y equals to J this, or if Y equals to J and J equals to 1. I think so. I'm going to choose the first variant, but I don't know what really. So like it's already done, yep. Just print the answer. Incredible. So let's clear our terminal. Let's compile it. Let's run it. Oh yeah. Let's go. So what about the first one? 4 5 3 1 2 1. Yep, so it's every time it's going to be equaled for yj. When I reset them, like it's pretty understandable. So let me do. Okay, let me choose the first variant. Oh, I mean second variant. Let's check it so fast. Okay, if this type of solution is type of language, let's go for prefix array. I see this sub array like getting some from there to there, it means to do, yeah, 7a right minus a left minus 1. Okay, I could understand this, and mainly between them are 3 elements, and I just need to get maximum. Like, what if I do brute force for E for J, and I just check it, and if the like the difference is less than or equal to the T, then I'm going to make like I would make answer variable. Answer is going to be maximum of itself, and the J minus Y, like the difference between elements. So yeah, that's it. No. What about the second one? 2 to 3. Yep. 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 7, 3. Yep. No, no. Only go to 0. Yep. 7 minus 2. Yep. This is greater, but this one equals. No, I check the minus 1, like 5. Yep, it's greater. If I want to check the difference between them, I need to go one left. So with 7 and 4 I couldn't do, mainly because of 2 is 5. Then 7 and 2 I go right there, there is 0. And cause of I get 7, and cause of I just get 1. So okay, mainly how I'm going just to check this. Okay, I want to make some optimal solution. This really looks like as to some problem in LeetCode, like make some prefix error. I didn't even find the element. I don't know how to implement this. About the code forces task. So mainly where you got the problem right there. What if I just okay, I would like to think about more optimal solution for that. Let's move on this for right now. But okay, let's solve this soon. I'm not in that type mood. Let's check it again. What's my input? Okay, so how it looks like, just the solutions that I made. Control S, compiling our code or running our code, and I'm wet, so I think so the stream is going. Yep, I hope. Oh crap, what is this? Why it's not going? Bro, I don't know. Yep, it goes. So the stream is already going for 23 minutes. I hope we're going to solve this task. What about this one, input 3 and 3? Runtime error. Mainly, so let's just first let's sort it, but let's make array B. So because of No, but this is not a good one. Because mail I just sorted. I don't get any value from this, I think so. Or no, let's just put it like this. And okay, let's do run is 3 3. Are you joking, man? Like 4 is greater than 3. What does it see? I'm pretty done right now. I'm really done. Oh no, I forgot about compiling. Yep. I reject my man. If I search it's 1, 1, 2, 3, then 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 is less than 5. I couldn't understand the logic. Oh yeah, I see. Um, so let's just see out 1, and then let's do like this, and then just return our program. Yeah, let's compile it. So I hope it's going to work right now. And let's record output this. Let's go then. Let's run it. 3 3 2 2 3. Let's go. So I hope it's going to work. Why not just like why not is not going to work? Submit our code. How it's even possible to get like talent exceeded? Let's it. Jury's answer to 2 seconds over the left. 13. There's not any talent. Okay, how could I treat it? It's like standard array, and it's really bad that I get time limit there. I don't need to get this there. Man, I really again think about prefix array, but I really don't know what ID is going to be there. 6, 8, 14, 9, 4, 11, 10, then we get 2, then 6, that's 8, it's not really matching, like, let me just analyze, if I search it, 4 and 6 is 10, yep, it's incredible, and then I just try to get 13, the jury's answer is 2, so I like just to take this, no, I like to take this, 9 and 4, so why I get this, because of 6 and 8, yep, mainly, wait a minute, it's greater than 7, no, it's 4 and 6, okay, so I just do y j plus plus, like it's already 8, and then if I move on right there, I put it there, but no way. Okay, I see this, like it's repeating each time, because of at this loop I'm going to have some change like previous y and previous j. If y equals to the previous j, like if are they all equal to itself, let's make prev e is equal y and prev j equals to j, and then make them prev e equals to the e, prev j equals to the j. If they're all equal to each other, something like this, and Yeah, it's just it's I'm really done. So if y equals to j, and then if pref y equals to j and equals to y, but well, I don't need whatever I need. Nope. Yeah, that's a good one. Only get one. Oh, that's really bad. That's so bad. Let me then make right there answer is equal to the max of answering current. What about how it works with the previous one? Watch what the R is going to be equaled. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, this is type of for some of the comments. So let's look at okay, let's move on for prefix array. Like I mean I don't know how to solve this by prefix array 3121. I don't know its implementation. Like and really we need the sum of three elements. That's less than just like this is sliding window. How to find the sum of how to how to find the sum of minimum count of n elements of k elements with min sum. Now how to find how to find the count of min L for some k. Okay, at the else position, so we will need to sync. So okay, so mm, so I have else position, for example. Yep. I want to make some nested loops with conditions else. What if it's greater? Oh, then make them all like J from there goes and Y from there goes. Like I think so like this. Just update all elements. Okay, for example, E plus plus, J minus minus, um, at 4 and 6. This is not really so much good. So okay, I would like just to try some of like really this is the problem, like I just need so wait a minute, what's the problem to find the max count of elements that are making the sum k. To find the max count of elements that are making sum less than k. So that's the question. How to find max count of elements that are making sum less than or equal to k. That's my question. So let's search this. This is type of sliding window. Let's search this at another browser for not filling it fully. Sort the array in ascending order. Why not? Bro. No allowance for sorting. This grid algorithm is really going to be easy, but I've never used priority queue. Alternation. Okay, what is this? Create a CDVC greater comparator to serve as min heap. This data structure allows you to extract the smallest element. Really? Let's try. Like this, like this. And then I'm just going to print the size of priority queue. Yep. Like this, for example. Mm, let's first just print right there. Solution for a while. std I think so like this. Like in particle we put ll, then we put vector, and this vector is no, then we put greater ll. It's like this is comparator. How would I know? And we put the datas. I'm really like I don't know what did I say. It's possible that I said all for nothing. Like I'm not really so good at particle. Like I don't know what is this even. I just know what's q. So okay, wait a minute. So I just make it, yeah, and then I'll be needed just to make c out like a dot size. Oh no, let's call it answer. Okay, what about if it gives +1, for example? Nope. Okay, what Gemini just gave me? With a greater comparator to serve as min heap, this data structure also to extract the smallest element or on log n iterative sums. Let's just say by 2 pointers. Yup. Okay, like I really don't know what sliding window technique. Okay, I think so. It would like bro. What is this? Let's read this all. Sliding window technique. Sliding window technique is a method used to solve problems that involve subarray or substring or window. Wait, so it's a method used to solve problems that involve subarray, substring, or window. Instead of repeatedly iterating over the same elements, the sliding window maintains a range or window that moves step by step through the data, updating result incrementally. The main idea is to use the results of previous window to do complete computations for the next window. The main idea is to use the result of previous window to do computations for the next window, commonly used for problems like finding subarray specific sum, finding the longest substring with unique, or solving problems that require a fixed size window to process elements efficiently. For example, given an array so and an integer k, we need to calculate the maximum sum of subarray having size exactly k. No problem. Mainly the output is 6. Okay, we get maximum sum by considering the subarray. Yep, 5 2 minus 1. And there's uh like there's 33 plus 2 is, yeah, 35, and then 39. We get maximum sum by, yep. Says try it yourself. No thanks. Let me firstly, okay, int max sum, vector array int k int n is equal to array size in y minimum. Okay, for example, consider all blocks starting with y. Current sum, like, and current sum is 0, like new window. Calculate the sum of current subarray of size k. Update result if required. Return max sum. Okay, cool. I see it. But mainly expected appears lighting window techniques O1 time and O1 space. Pretty normal. That's what we need. ON is good. What is this? And there's also was given some code. Okay, let me just copy this. Then go right there. Okay, let me ask this by ChatGPT mainly. So yeah, I'm a little bit done. Like I really don't know how to do this. Let's just enter it from there, ChatGPT. So let's do it like that. So now I'm going to say I don't have an allowance for sorting. If your code returns true, the problem you forgot to reset variables on your condition string. The loop should be not. Okay, let me watch this. It's the same, like it's really strange. What if I just submit this? Mm, yeah, I just read this. So I think so. I'm going to learn sliding window and to be ready for this or something this type algorithm. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. See you later.